What'd you find? What, Ryan? What'd you find, honey? What? Hey, Max. Yeah? Are you guys ready for lunch? Are we ready for lunch? Yeah? Sweet potatoes good? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Should I come save you? Uh-oh. Okay. Did you get a rainbow? Yeah, you did. You got a rainbow. Good job, Rye. You know how to get down? Nope. Max. Max. Mr. Max. What you doing? Well, we're going to try.